So monitoring memory usage is essential for maintaining system health and performance. So this script will quickly show how much RAM is in use, available, and the total amount. So helping you identify memory bottlenecks or runaway processes. So in Bash, it's pretty simple. So it's pretty simple and sweet. In Python, you have to do a little bit more work to kind of get the same information. So let's get started on this next script number 9. Where we'll just print out the free memory pretty much. So it's a very short and sweet script. Okay, so for Bash, we're going to do user bin env bash, and then we're going to check for free memory. So it's just a one command, free sh. So it'll show total used and free memory in the system, and the h is to convert the bytes into kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, so it's more human readable. So that's it. That's the whole script. So if we do sudo chmod plus x and then script 9 that we just created, and then we run it, that's it. That's the command and the output. You can obviously pair this with alerting system. You can have it send. You can have the script send like email to you, or write it in syslog so your system picks it up using monitoring tools. And we'll get started on the Python one next. Okay, so we'll copy this over in the Python script. We'll import ps util. It monitors resource. So instances. And then what we'll do is we'll put memory, we'll get the raw value, ps util, and then virtual memory, and then total MB used MB, and then user used, and the last one is percent. So it'll be mem.total, then divided by 1024 2, and then we'll go to the next one, mem.used 1024 2 percent is you don't need to convert this, it's just gonna be percent. Then we'll display stats. Total. It's going to be used MB. Total MB, and then used will be used MB. percent. Okay. Let's run this one. Actually, let's put a comment here. Convert stats to human readable. As you can see, it's returning our stats here. Total, we have this many megabytes, which is actually gigs in 7.8 gigs, and then we have used 2.9 gigabyte, and then free is 38% free. So okay, so that's pretty much a simple script to kind of show the resources in your system.